Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this Ariana Grande inspired makeup tutorial from the, what's it called? No Tears Left to Cry music video. Why did I have to think about that just then? I literally filmed a whole tutorial on it and I can't even remember the name of the song. Wow, great YouTuber, I know. But yeah, I've even tied my hair in a low ponytail. I know hers was slicked back like this, but I look like a literal egg if I do that. So I'm getting some framing on my face. I mean, I know it doesn't really suit me, but did it for the video. So yeah, if you guys do like this video, remember to like, subscribe and comment. And if you are new here, remember to subscribe and turn on my little post notification bell as well. That way you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Let me know what you guys thought of the song because I loved it. And also, this was actually originally done by Makeup by Mario and he is like just amazing. Like anytime I see a makeup that I love and I'm like, that makeup is just amazing, it's always done by him. So yeah, I just thought I would give a little shout out to Makeup by Mario because he is like my idol. So yeah, I am going to stop rambling now. But basically what happened is I tried to film this once, then the gloss like completely separated my eyeshadow because it was super like metallic and glossy on the lid, but it completely separated my eyeshadow, so I couldn't work with it. Because basically I have the MAC lip gloss but I couldn't find it and I know that works, so I tried using this. It did not work with me, hun. Like no thank you. With that being said, it's a bit all over the place because I had to refilm my eyes, but the rest of my face was completely fine. So my face has got the bad eyeshadow, but the eyes has got good eyeshadow, I think. And then the lips is just all of it put together. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I love you guys so much. Please keep on watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Basically guys, I just tried to film this and it went so wrong. So I'm trying again. So yeah guys, I'm just taking this shade from the palette here. It's from the Carli Bybel BH Cosmetics palette. So yeah, I'm just blending that through my crease with the Zoeva Luxe crease brush. I really hope this works this time. By the way, if this looks weird, I'm going to insert all the clips of my face, like when I was doing my face makeup of before, because I'm not going to film it again because that didn't go wrong. It was just my eyes that went wrong. This is going to be the first clip of the video, and then in the next clips, if it looks different, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna spray my brush with some Fix Plus and then go in with the Inglot glitter in the shade 56 or something. Yeah, it's like a golden sort of thing. I'm gonna mix in a little bit of the shade 66, which is more of a actual glitter, but it's more silver. I'm gonna apply that onto my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry and do my eyeliner now. Okay, my camera is flashing red, so I'm gonna charge it and do my eyeliner and then I'll be back with you. Okay guys, so I just zoomed you guys out a little bit. I've already moisturized my skin and I think I'm gonna go in with my foundation now. So I'm gonna take this Y365 Makeup Forever stick. You guys know this is my holy grail foundation. Doesn't match me right now, but Ariana's more tan, so I'm gonna take it down my neck. That's dedication right there, making yourself look like an orange. Well, not saying that Ariana's orange because I actually use this when I'm tanned, but I'm not tanned right now, so on me this is gonna look orange. I'm blending that out with my damp beauty blender. Ariana's skin actually looked quite matte in this video. One thing I have noticed, because I have done recreations of her looks before, by that I mean I've done one at Christmas time. If you guys wanna go watch it, then please feel free to. But yeah, she does tend to keep her skin quite matte, which you guys know I'm not the biggest fan of, but I mean, you gotta do it sometimes because, you know, we're recreating a makeup look. She looks very bronzed in this look, which is why I have taken a foundation shade which does not match me in the slightest right now. My chest area looks so funny. Look, there's like a line here where my darker foundation stops. I'm now gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Mine's in the shade light medium. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Fit Me, like in the really light shade, to highlight with because this isn't light enough for me to highlight with at the moment. It is when I've got a lot of fake tan on, but not at the moment. I love the smell of this Shape Tape. It smells like roses. I actually just love the smell of Shape Tape. Like, I think that's why I use it all the time. So I'm gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. I think I just got concealer in my eye, but okay. Yeah, I mean, what do you guys think of Ariana's song then? I mean, we are recreating the makeup in it. So I thought I should ask you guys, what do you think of it? I really like her song. Picking it up, na, 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 picking it up. That's like the only word I know, the one. Don't come for me. My friend is like the biggest Ariana Grande fan. And like when she announced her new song, I got like 7 messages from him going, oh my god, Ariana's back, Ariana's back. Oh my god, it's happening. Like, it was so funny. I'm gonna bake that with my RCMA No Color powder. I need to get some more of this. I'm almost out. Just under my eyes. I literally swear by this stuff. I will never use another powder. And like all my friends are buying it because of me, and they keep coming to me like, oh my god, I love it so much. And I'm like, yes bitch, I knew you would. But yeah, I'm also gonna press this into the rest of my skin. I never used to do this until I watched a James Charles makeup tutorial. Well, not watched, followed, but I think I say that in every single one of my videos. I never used to do this, and then James Charles did it and I did it. Wow, I'm so original, aren't I? Guys, Ariana has a low pony in this video. Should I film my intro with a low pony on? I used to wear low ponies like a year ago. Oh god. Throwback. They didn't actually look that bad. I mean, they didn't look great, but they didn't look awful. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and stick on my eyelashes off of camera. Her lashes seem quite natural. They look like extensions, if I'm being honest. I think she does have eyelash extensions. I think I'm gonna use either Diamonds or Goddess by Lily Lashes. I'll be right back with you to wipe off my bake and finish the makeup. Okay, bye. Okay guys, little update. I didn't put my lashes on because I realized I wanted to put the gloss on before I did my lashes, but I did fill in my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead, bronze and everything, then I'm gonna put my lashes and gloss on, then do my lips. So I'm gonna wipe off my, okay, my tits were just on show then. I'm gonna wipe off my bake with my oh my god, I can't see, the name's rubbed off, but it's a MAC brush, I think it's called the 129 or something. I'm not too sure, but I'm just wiping off my bake with that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze with Hoola by Benefit on a Morphe M405 brush. This brush is so dirty. So me and Ariana do not have similar face shapes whatsoever or anything like that. So after I filmed my last Ariana video, some people actually told me I look a bit like Ariana Grande. And I was like, oh my god, that's the nicest thing anyone has ever said to me. Even though they were lying. I mean, a girl can dream, am I right? My voice has gone so weird, I'm so sorry guys. Bronzing up my whole face. She doesn't look too contoured, but as soon as I bronze, it just ends up looking like a contour, even though it's not meant to be. Just because I have quite defined cheekbones if I add anything there. I am contouring my jawline though because this girl needs to hide a double chin. Okay, so she's got like a line of glitter under her wing. I did not even see that till now. I'm gonna use this Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy glitter liner to do that. If you want that to stand out more, you could have put a white base underneath and then go in with it, but me being an idiot, I kind of forgot, so okay, cute. What am I gonna do about highlighter because she doesn't look glowy? No, she literally does not look like she has highlighter on. Okay guys, so I think I showed you everything that I did on my face and my eyes. Basically, the gloss completely like separated my eyeshadow. It was like the hardest thing. Do not use the Rimmel gloss on your eyelids, basically, is the life lesson. I'm gonna go in with Pink Plaid, I don't know, by MAC. It's just like a pink lipstick. I'm going over the top of that with a gloss. This is Bare Minerals Far Out Gloss. It's like a nude. And I'm gonna go over the top of that with Nymphet Lip Glass by MAC. This is like my favorite lip gloss. And then I'm just gonna press a little bit of Vanilla Pigment by MAC into the center of my lips. Okay, I'm gonna go over the top of that with Nymphet once again. Okay, let me just clean off my hands and I'll be back with you to film the outro. Okay, so that is the end of this week's video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed. If you did enjoy it, remember to like, subscribe, and comment. If you are new here, do remember to subscribe and turn on my little post notification bell. I'm sorry this video was a bit all over the place, but I did try my best. I wasn't expecting it to be as hard as it was. It was really hard to make it look blended and the gloss just completely fucked me over. But I think it turned out alright, so I'm quite happy with it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But yeah, other than that, I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. If you do recreate this makeup as well, please do tag me in your photos on Instagram because all my social medias are linked in the description. If you want to follow me on any of those, please do feel free. But yeah, I will see you in my next video. I hope you have an amazing rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year, wherever you may be in the world. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week or whenever I next post. Bye. Mwah.